Bitcoin is breaking out right now, and while Bitcoin is breaking out, we're finally seeing the stablecoin dominance breaking down. And guys, Bitcoin is really writing history as we speak, but we do have some different signals as well, like heat maps that I want to show you in today's video. So better watch this video till the end because it's going to be very interesting. Now let's jump straight into it. Bitcoin is breaking out as we speak, and we are seeing massive green candles right here in the start of October. Guys, what is happening with Bitcoin and what is showing on stablecoin dominance charts? Like, what's going on and what can we expect over the next coming weeks? Well, that's going definitely to be the topic of today's video, so let's jump straight into it, guys. Bitcoin so far is looking extremely bullish, even surpassing the previous high right here at roughly 28.1k. And guys, one of the main things that I really have been watching right here is the stablecoin dominance. And yeah, right before it actually was breaking down, I already saw the first signs that it could break down, but I actually still didn't really expect this to happen. I still thought the more probable scenario is this one to go up, to remain in the structure. But I gotta admit, guys, that this actually, if we can hold this, so if we can really truly leave this rising channel right here, that is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin, guys. Guys, we're posting every single day videos about the Bitcoin price, and I would highly appreciate it if you like this video to drop a thumbs up, leave a comment down below to wake up the algorithm so we can smash it. I don't know how to say it, but this is one of the things that I'm watching. Of course, I still want to be a little bit cautious on Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you exactly why in the short-term time frame. But just look at this. We can basically kind of delete right here the Elliott wave count, in my opinion. Maybe just let's leave it on. You never know. But what you can see right here is that since 2019, we're actually in this rising channel. Right, but right now we are losing the support of that rising channel, and if it doesn't end up like a wick like here, but we really like break down from this channel, that's just extremely bullish. Especially, guys, with the Dixie pushing up right here. The Dixie is looking so bullish in a parabolic uptrend almost. Like, kind of crazy how the Dixie is throwing new highs every time. And Bitcoin right now does the same, right? But there is one warning signal that I'm seeing that I want to share with you. But first of all, I'm going to share with you the levels that I'm watching to the upside, okay? So what we can do is we can try to get a hold of a new structure right here for Bitcoin, so we can maybe draw a parallel channel, check maybe if that is something. So that could be something, right, that maybe we have somewhat of a parallel channel right here, touching the resistance as we speak. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top right here till the bottom, then we can see we just broke above the 50%, which was at 28,120. Chances are pretty high that we are going to touch the golden ratio. That's also something that I shared over on World Alerts, guys. I've shared that the moment we are going to break above this resistance right here, the target of this formation will be a little bit, I'll show you the target again. We take the trend line right here, a little bit conservative from this high till the low, put at the point of breakout. That would set the target at roughly 29,700. That's kind of crazy, and that also aligns with the former support of this range, which could act as resistance, right? So that is definitely something to watch. But so far, Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength and is looking very bullish. Now comes the bearish sign, kind of bearish sign, and that is that if we look at the liquidity maps right now, we can see that the liquidity right now is below us. So we have on OKX, we can see if we refresh the 1 month liquidity, or actually liquidation maps, we can see that the liquidations right now are at 26,000 US dollars. This is from Bybit. We can see that Bybit liquidations also at 26,000 US dollars. Let's have a look at the Binance US dollar Tether perpetual contract. And You can also see that there is no yellow line right here, but the liquidity to the upside has been grabbed. This is also something we've mentioned over on Will Alerts, that these yellow lines right here will be grabbed most likely. That liquidity is grabbed. We overshot that liquidity, but right now a lot of liquidity is basically to the downside. So that is something to watch. I wouldn't long in these regions anymore. I would definitely wait for a cool down and see what's happening with Bitcoin. We also have the 60-day cycle low coming in at around the 15th of, between the 15th and the 10th of October. Between the 15th and the 20th of October. So it's also going to be very interesting where that low is going to be. Right, so yeah, I'm going to watch the chart very, very carefully. I consider this really as a bullish sign, but I still want to see something play out. Maybe we get a bounce right here, retest, and we can see lower levels. But this is generally a very bullish sign. And we might even see, guys, and that is the crazy thing about this chart, we might even see Bitcoin 16-year cycle play out, and maybe even I don't know, of course, but maybe even the Bitcoin ETF will be approved very, very soon, because this is a huge opportunity also for the people in power, right? Losing such a macro structure, for people in power, they can definitely use that to create some FOMO, and yeah, maybe we get a Bitcoin ETF approved sooner than you might think. You heard it here first, like this, but this generally, guys, is just very bullish. Just imagine, since 2019, we're in an uptrend. If this turns right now in a downtrend, yeah, that's just very, very bullish. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash up the like button. Very much appreciated, guys. If you want to join Will Alerts, I would highly recommend you to do so. Join Bybit or BitGet with the affiliate link down below. I wish you all a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.